We have just got some really cool fabrics at some really cool prices. $13.99 today. These fabrics are knits, and I put in a more mid-weight knit because what's so popular are these cardis. And these fabrics would be great for cardigans and then maybe a little, matching tank or something. So this first fabric is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. But if you can see it, it's reversible. I love this. It's reversible, so it's got a camo on one side and then just a striated knit on the other side. It's kind of a raspberry and black, so it's right in, I just love this. It's right in colors, and you could, like I'm thinking 726, the ruffled cardigan, you could do the body on one and then do the ruffle on the other, or the body, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, it's just cool. And then I put this with it because I thought it'd be really great. It blends really well. We don't have a lot of yardage of this. This is a cotton poly. It's a beautiful floral. The background is navy. It's a really deep navy. I love that contrast. Just really beautiful. Great drape. And then this is the same fabric but a different color. So again, really nice body. It's a cotton poly. You've got your grape. Now it's a real grape color versus this is more of a wine. And again, it's got your camo on one side and you're striated on another. Is that cool? I just love that. I've only got these two colors. I just think it's very cool. And then I put this in because it just has so many colors in it. It just blends well with everything. This is a viscose. And again, not a lot of yardage, but all $13.99, you guys, today. And this is, I love this little sparkle. This would be a great little cardie. You don't want a lot of it, but a wonderful little cardie would be perfect. Just fun with jeans. Just gives kind of a little bit of spark. It's a cotton poly. They're stretching both directions. And again, that is $13.99. And this viscose, love this. I did a little floral pop so that it can really go with any of these because it's got all these colors in it. Viscose, this is a woven, and it's just great drape. Beautiful, beautiful blouse. Just really pretty. All right, the goal, $13.99 you have to have. Happy sewing with Silhouette Patterns.